Halloween, there's a better way. Mix and match your treats tonight, create a wild buffet. Start with witch's brew, so sweet. Milky Way meets Reese's cup. Chocolate caramel, peanut bomb will fill your stomach up. Make some zombie brains so gross with Skittles, red and green. Add marshmallows for the goo, the squishiest you've seen. Graveyard Crunch is next in line, crush Oreos with Whoppers too. Melty soil for your graveyard is an easy thing to do. Mix and mash it, smash it up, don't let your candy sit. Combine your Halloween all into combos that just hit. From vampire bites to monster mash, from ghost goo to bat wings. These candy creations are the spookiest things. Vampire's kiss is tart and smooth. Cherry Starburst, Hershey kiss. Monster mashup brings the chaos. M&M's, gummy bears can't miss. Add some candy corn for crunch, the texture drives you wild. Ghost goo needs white chocolate and some worms to get you riled. Pumpkin patches, autumn vibes, candy corn with Reese's Pieces. Cauldron crunch will blow your mind when Kit Kat meets Pop Rock's thesis. Werewolf Chow is sweet and salty, Twix with pretzels crushed. Tombstone Toffees, Heath and Snickers, caramel that can't be rushed. Mix and mash it, smash it up, don't let your candy sit. Combine your Halloween all into combos that just hit. From Coffin crunch to spider eggs, from Moonlight to the Reaper. Every candy combo makes your Halloween much sweeter. Jack-o'-lantern bite surprise with orange Starburst peanut M's. Coffin crunch layers it up, Kit Kat Reese's candy corn gems. Spider eggs or Whoppers mixed with mini M&M shell. Grim Reaper's dark mint chocolate makes a chillin' tale to tell. Bloody Bandage wraps it up, white chocolate it red Twizzler strip. Moonlight Morsels underneath, Almond joy and milk to trip. Goblin gold is Rolos stuffed in peanut M&M treasure. Cauldron sludge is Tootsie Roll with candy corn for pleasure. Midnight bite is Snickers dark. Frankenstein's got apple caramel spark. Mommy wraps with Twizzlers peel around a Reese's heart. Batwings need that Butterfinger with a dark Kit Kat embrace. Haunted apples, caramel cube with green Skittle in its place. Creepy Cocoa Crunch, come bend your Kit Kats with candy corn. Spectre is s'mores or Hershey marshmallows, graham crack reborn. Phantom fog is peppermint wrapped in white chocolate mist. Eyeball pops a dum-dum with a gummy ring you can't resist. Cauldron mix is sour, sweet, sour patch and Reese's mini brain matters. Laffy Taffy with marshmallows getting clingy. Toxic sludge is radioactive, blue raspberry lemon head tart bone sauce special ends a show. Cookies, cream, Oreo art. Mix it, mash it, smash it up, you got the recipe. 31 candy combos make a spooky symphony. From witches brew to bone saw treats, from eyeballs to brain matter. These Halloween creations are the only things that matter. So don't just eat your candy straight, be creative, have some fun. Mix your Halloween